Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. So let's get started. To see who has taken a screenshot of your Snapchat story, whether it is public or private, simply open Snapchat first of all. Then tap on your profile icon at the top to go to your profile screen. When you open your profile, you will be able to see all of your stories who currently have posted on your account. You will also get a heads up on how many people have viewed your stories and how many, if any, have screenshotted your story. So now all you have to do is tap on My Story option available there. When you open the story you want to check, tap on the icons in the bottom left corner to see who has watched and who has screenshotted your story post. If someone has screenshotted, you will see a number next to the screenshot icon. When you then go to the list of people who have viewed your story, the same icon will be on the right side of the name of the people who screenshotted your story. So this information will only be available to you during the 24 hours your story is viewable on your profile. The same thing goes if you have a public profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.